This is my new camera. Shh, shh. I'm doing a test. I just got this on eBay for a steal. They obviously didn't know what this is. This is an infrared video camera, good for surveillance on the Americans. Shh, shh, shh. I don't know what to say. I'm so ecstatic. I'm going to see if I put just a little light, would I give it the ambiance that it needs. Shh, shh. Don't go away. Yes, this is too much, too much. Shh, shh. Now we shall see who, whatever. Let's go. Oh, what was that? What was that? Genius, these Americans. Very good, very good. I like it. I like it a lot. Yes. Let's take off the infrared and see what we shall have. No, we can't. Then you will know who I am. I am finished now. I'll get back to you. This here device. Yes, very good. I doubt if it's recording my voice. They will never know what I'm saying. But they might read lips. We can't have that. No good. Must not read lips. I can't read yours, why should you read mine? Ha. Sony. You probably can't see this because it's infrared. I'm in the dark. You cannot see me. Or you can hear maybe my voice. Maybe. If you could see this, it would be having fun with my new camera. It's not really new. I can't afford to go to a store and put my name on anything. No, you will never know who I am. Never. Let's go stop, shall we? Let's push the stop button. You can't see this.